successful Schengen visa application depends on meeting all the requirements clearly and accurately. Knowing which steps to take from the beginning makes all the difference. You must apply to the official external service provider or to the embassy or consulate of the Schengen country you plan to visit. If you plan to visit more than one Schengen country, you have to apply to the embassy or consulate or the external service provider of the country that is your main destination for the purpose of your stay or with longest intended stay. Make sure that you really apply to the external service provider of the Schengen country you plan to visit. They are referenced on the embassy or consulate's website. You should apply well in advance, while, as a rule, applications must be lodged at least 15 calendar days before your intended visit. It is strongly recommended to begin planning up to 6 months ahead to ensure appointment availability. You have to make sure that all the details in your documents are consistent and correspond to your real plans in the Schengen area. You have to complete all necessary forms and provide accurate documentation. Consult the checklist on website of the embassy or consulate. You have to provide genuine hotel reservations and flight reservations that match your actual travel plans. If invited, you have to ensure the inviter's contact information is correct. You have to clearly state your workplace and/or income source. You have to submit bank statements showing sufficient funds for your trip, no older than 3 months. Check your documents personally before submission to ensure their accuracy. Duly sign your application form. Your passport must be valid for at least 3 months beyond your planned return from the Schengen area. You must apply through the embassy or consulate of the country where you will spend the most time. If you spend equal amounts of time in several countries, apply to the country of first entry. Visa applicants who do not follow the rules may have their visa application refused, visa revoked, be denied entry at the border, or unable to benefit from Schengen visa for some time. The cost of a Schengen visa is at present €90 for adults and maximum €45 for children aged 6 to 12. In addition, a service fee may be applied by the official external service provider, which collects applications on behalf of embassy or consulate. Other intermediaries ask for extra fees, sometimes significant ones. Using their services does not increase your chances of getting a Schengen visa. They do not have better access to the embassies, consulates. You don't need to pay for these extra fees. Using such agencies is at your own risk. Do not engage with fraudulent travel agencies which offer you false promises on receiving a Schengen visa against exorbitant additional fees. Only book one appointment. Don't book any time slots for appointments that you will not use. Your Schengen visa indicates the length of your allowed stay in the Schengen area. This allowed stay is maximum of 90 days in a 180-day period. If you exceed this period, your stay becomes irregular. For instance, if you received a multiple entry Schengen visa of a long duration, you can visit the Schengen area up multiple times, provided that you do not stay more than 90 days in each period of 180 days.